In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to Wix website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix account to enable custom scripts so you can add things like analytics snippets, chat widgets, and other JavaScript-based tools. Before we begin, a quick heads up. The custom code feature is available on paid Wix plans. If you're on a free plan, you'll be able to see where the option lives, but you won't be able to use it until you upgrade. Start by opening your Wix dashboard for the specific site you want to edit. This is the main control center for your site, where you handle content, apps, and settings. Make sure you're on the correct site if you manage more than one, and confirm you're signed in with the right account. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Towards the bottom, you'll find the Settings option. Click it to open your site-level controls. This area includes everything from privacy and roles to integrations, so it's the right place to manage code-related features as well. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to find the Custom Code section. Click Custom Code to open Wix's Code Management panel. This is where you'll add, organize, and control snippets that run across your site. Again, remember, adding custom code requires a paid subscription. If you don't have one yet, Wix will prompt you to upgrade before you can proceed. Inside the Custom Code panel, you'll see options that help you control how JavaScript behaves on your site. Wix allows you to determine where a snippet is injected, such as in the head or body, and whether it loads across all pages or only selected pages. You can also manage the load timing, which helps prevent scripts from slowing down your site. If your code provider gives you specific instructions, follow those placement guidelines closely. A few best practices to keep in mind as you work here. Only use JavaScript from sources you trust, and never paste sensitive information like API keys or passwords directly into public code. Keep snippets as small as possible to maintain fast page loads. If a tool offers an async or deferred version of their script, that can improve performance. And when you're done, preview and then publish your site to confirm everything runs correctly. Some scripts won't fully activate in the editor preview and will only work on the live site, so check in an incognito window after publishing. That's all you need to reach the right place in Wix to add JavaScript using custom code. Thanks for watching and happy building.